In this video, I will quickly show you how to create a project on Asana to organize tasks and track work progress. First, go to Asana and sign into your account. Once you are inside, click the Create or New Project button, usually located in the sidebar or at the top of the screen. Next, choose whether you want to create a project from scratch or use a ready-made template. Then enter a name for your project and select the layout type, such as list, board, or calendar. After that, click Create Project to confirm. Asana will create the project where you can add tasks, assign team members, and organize deadlines. You can also invite team members to collaborate on the project. Creating a project helps organize activities and makes it easier to track progress. And that's it. Now you know how to create a project on Asana easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.